We have already learned about Thay's theorem or basic proportionality theorem, and we know that Thay's theorem states that a straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same ratio. In today's video, we will do some of the problem based on Thay's theorem, converse of Thay's theorem and corollary of Thay's theorem. So here the question is, in the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. So they have given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. We need to find out EC. So the sides are also given. AD is 1.5 centimeter, AE is 1 centimeter, BD is 3 centimeter. We need to find out the side EC. So by Thay's theorem, I know that if a straight line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So I can write, if DE is parallel to BC, then by Thay's theorem, I can write as AD divided by DB equal to AE divided by EC. AD is, now we need to substitute this, 1.5 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by EC. So EC is nothing but 1.5 into, or when you cross multiply, 1.5 into EC is equal to, so 1.5 into EC equal to 3, or EC equal to 3 into 1, cross multiply. So you will get this EC equal to 3 divided by 1.5, which is equal to, when there is a decimal in the denominator, we need to remove that. So I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 10. So 30 divided by 15 is 2 centimeter. So EC is 2 centimeter. Now next question, E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. You can see a triangle PQR here. E and F are the points on the side PQ and PR. Now we need to find out whether EF is parallel to QR. So they have given the ratios. They have given the sides. PE is 3.9 centimeter. EQ is 3 centimeter. Again, PF is 3.6 centimeter and FR is 2.4 centimeter. So here I am going to use converse of Thay's theorem, that is, if PE by EQ is equal to, if these ratios are equal, PE by EQ equal to PF by FR, then if the ratios are equal, then I can say that EF is parallel to QR. If the ratios are not equal, then I will say EF is not parallel to QR. So here we are using converse of Thay's theorem. So we will find out the ratios. 3.9 divided by 3 equal to 3.6 divided by 2.4. If this ratio same, here it is 1.3, and 3.6 divided by 2.4 is 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 is 1.5. So these ratios are not equal. Since the ratios are not equal, so PE divided by EQ is not equal to PF divided by FR. So by converse of Thay's theorem, I can say that EF is not parallel to QR. EF is not parallel to QR. Now the next question is, in the given figure, LM is parallel to BC. You can see this side LM is parallel to BC. Same way, LN is parallel to CD. We need to prove AM divided by AB, not MB, AB equal to AN divided by AD. So first problem we have used Thay's theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Second one we have used converse of basic proportionality theorem. So here we are going to use corollary of basic proportionality theorem. Corollary of basic proportionality theorem states that if a straight line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, the side of new triangle formed is proportional to the side of the given triangle. So here we can see two triangles, one above the line of the AC and second below the line of AC. So both the triangles, in triangle, first triangle is ABC and the second triangle is ADC. So since they have given LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB by corollary of basic proportionality theorem. I am going to write, when I have drawn this line, I have got a new triangle, that is AML. So side of new triangle formed, that is AM, is proportional to the side of the given triangle, that is AB. AM is proportional to AB, equal to, in the same way the other side AL is proportional to AC. Now give this equation number 1. In the same way, in triangle ADC, they have given LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. So I can write side of new triangle form, that is AN, divide by side of original triangle is AD. See, this is the small triangle and this one is the big triangle. So equal to, again, AL divided by AC. So from equation number 1 and 2, you can see that the right side is equal. Therefore, the left side will be also equal. So I can write AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. This is what we need to prove. Now next question, in the given figure DE is parallel to AC, DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF divided by FE equal to BE divided by EC. So we can see here, first we will take this DE is parallel to AC. We can see the line segments. DE is parallel to AC. So here DE, you can see that DE is parallel to AC. So this DE is parallel to AC for the triangle ABC. If you consider the triangle ABC, then DE is parallel to AC. And just we can see this ratios also, whether we have to use corollary or basic proportionality theorem. So here they have given BF divided by FE or BE divided by EC. So by basic proportionality theorem, we can say that a line is drawn parallel to a side of triangle, divides the other two sides proportionally. So I can write BE divided by EC equal to, the other side is, since this side, if you take the full triangle, draw separately the full triangle. So A, B, C and DE is the line. So I can write BE divided by EC equal to BD divided by AD. Again, they have given one more parallel line, that is DF is parallel to AE. So you can see DF is parallel to AE. This is for the triangle ABE, for the small triangle. Again, if you take this triangle A, B, E and DF is the line. So I can write AD or BD divided by AD is equal to BF divided by FE. So give this equation number 1 and this equation number 2. So again from 1 and 2, I can say that left side is equal, therefore the right side will be also, right side is equal, therefore the left side will be equal. BE divided by EC equal to BF divided by FE. So in the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ, DF is parallel to OR and EF is parallel to QR. No, we need to show that EF is parallel to QR. So since we need to show EF is parallel to QR, we are mainly going to use converse of basic proportionality theorem. If they have given the sides are parallel and if we have to prove the ratios are proportional, then we will use basic proportionality theorem. So first we will use this data, DE is parallel to OQ. So if DE is parallel to OQ, in which triangle DE is parallel to OQ? We'll find out first that DE is this line, it is parallel to the line OQ. So this is for triangle, in triangle POQ, DE is parallel to OQ. So So DE is parallel to OQ. So I can write the ratio as PE divided by EQ is equal to PD divided by DO. Now we will use the next one. Next one is DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. So DF is parallel to OR. So that is for the triangle POR. So I can write the ratio as PD divided by DO equal to PF divided by FR. Now give this equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 I can write PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. So PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. So what does that mean? PE this divided by EQ equal to PF divided by FR. That means by converse of Thay's theorem, I can say that in triangle, now we have found out in triangle PQR, I got this relation PE divided by EQ equal to PF divided by FR. Therefore, by converse of Thay's theorem, I can write, or basic proportionality theorem, I can write EF is parallel to QR. So in all these problems we have used either basic proportionality theorem or converse or corollary of basic proportionality theorem. So thank you for watching my video.